Okay, there's the result. There's the result. First, the description result shows the descriptive statistics of 3 levels of the factors variables, online shopping amount, and it can be seen that the group within more than 200 yuan has highest evaluation of the security of online transactions data. Okay. The result of the homogeneity of variance test shows that the linearity statistics does not reach the significant level, and the result of homogeneity of the variance can be accepted. Okay, and then for the summary table, the single factor variable comparison, it can be seen from the result that the F value, the F value reaches the significant level, indicate that the means of the online transaction security among the 3 types of groups are not equal. Okay, for the Welsh, okay. And then we are going to the last univariate linear regression analysis. We choose analysis, we choose regression, and we choose linear. Okay, this is a table. And we need to choose dependent, independent variables. For the dependent, we choose willing. Okay. For example, we want to test the hypothesis college student perception of the safety when shopping online will positively perceive online shopping purchase intention. In this hypothesis, purchase intention is the dependent variables, and the safety is the independent variable. Select purchase intention in the candidate variables list box on the left side of the linear regression dialog box. Okay, control this. Okay, it's here. We put on the dependent variables, and we choose security to the independent variables. Security, okay, and then we choose the statistics. The statistics we need to choose descriptions. Donald, okay, DW and descriptions, and then we choose. Let me check. Okay, confidence in variables. Okay, we press continue, and then we choose the plots. We use this dioxide to the X. We use the dioxide to the Y, and we choose histogram. Okay, no, we don't choose this. We choose this one. Okay, we press continue, and don't need to change this, and we press OK. Okay, this is the regression data. The descriptive statistics shows the means and standard deviations of the independent and dependent variables. See, mean 3.5 and the standard deviation 0.787. And the correlation result shows that the security is positive related to willingness to shop online. And these are is 0.107 is so-called a coefficient of the determination, which reflects the explanatory power of the regression model, that is, the degree to which the y variables is explained by the independent variables, or reflect the fitness or goodness of the fit of the linear regression model formed by the independent variables and the dependent variables when all is zero. Okay, and then by adding degrees of freedom to each of two items, the F statistics can be obtained, used to test whether the regression model has statistical significance. When the significance of the F test is less than 0.05, the regression equation is considered established. In this example, the value of the F significance is much lower than 0.05, indicate that the regression equation is established. Okay, used to illustrate the explanation power of predictor variables for the dependent variable. Hypothesis testing is required to prove its significance before use. The unstandardized coefficient of the independent variable's safety is 0.324, and the corresponding t value is 5.912, and the value of the is far less than 0.05, indicating that the safety variables can enter the regression equation. Okay, and then the histogram of the regression standard residential values. If the cumulative possibility distribution of the standard residential values forms a 45-degree diagonal line from lower left to upper right, and then the sample observation values comply with assumption of normality, the cumulative possibility distributions of standardized residential in the right picture is roughly distributed near the straight line at an angle of 45 degrees. Okay, 45 degrees, and the sample observation values are relatively close to normal distribution assumption, and also the scatter plot of the standard residential value and standardized predicted value when the points of the scatter point are randomly distributed horizontal around the zero value. It means that the sample observation value comply with the assumption of normality and homogeneity of the variables. Okay, that's all.